Alright, so this is a new switch that I got from Kyushu. He is also known as my friend and a very kind seller. This is the Gateron CM 3.0, which is a new linear switch, and I heard that this is really good switch that sounds like an Oil King, but it's much more affordable. So let's go and have a look. So both the top and the bottom housing are made up of PA66 or nylon 66. This material has a good wear properties. Even though it seems to be light, this thing is very tough and resistant to oils and greases. The stem is made up of foam. It's already pre-looped, and yes, it's a long pulse stem. Surprisingly, this is a gold-plated double-stage 20mm long spring. It provides a very good rebound and an anti-oxidation. Now I'm going to use my Sugar 65 that I have recently reviewed. Go check that out if you want. And here's a brand new keycap set from P Foxer. It's called the Mountain Fog. It's a new brand that I highly recommend. Go check their website out. So this is an ASA profile with the thick polycarb transparent material and a PBT on top, which kinda like a pudding keycap but way better. The sound profile of this keycap has more bass than a double shot keycap. The CM 3.0 looks very appealing, and I really like the color combination of this switch. Let's now do a typing sound test. I'd say the Gateron CM 3.0 is really a good budget-friendly, clacky linear switch with the premium materials, and it does not need any lubing at all. You can just use them right away. You can just check out the link in the description if you want to buy the switch. Thanks for watching. I am JTECH, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.